you for tuning in today. My name is Rebecca Sloan, and I'll be presenting my presentation on Diwali, the Festival of Lights. So today we will be talking about Diwali, better known as the Festival of Lights. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. So what is Diwali? Diwali is celebrated in India and is known as the Festival of Lights. The word Diwali itself comes from a Sanskrit word, which means a row of lamps. So let's learn some more about India. India is actually located 628 miles from Nepal and is where the Himalayan mountain range is located. The capital of India is New Delhi. There are many different climates, and the Himalayan mountains do affect this. India has a large amount of coal available, so there are many people there that work as miners. Ancient India. This is where Diwali is traced back to, and it originated celebrating the summer harvest. It was first celebrated in western and certain northern parts of India and marks the start of a new Hindu year. The festival is observed by Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains. So, where is India located? India is actually between southwest of China and east of Pakistan. The Himalayas separate the India northwest border with China. Nepal lies within this mountain range between India and China. Bangladesh is the only country that India surrounds entirely. The Bay of Bengal is to the east, while the Arabian Sea is to the south. And here we have a map of India, and let's take a look at the capital, right here in the northern part of India, New Delhi. And to the west, we see the Arabian Sea. To the east, we have the Indian Ocean. And right here we have the Bay of Bengal, and you can see China and Nepal, and right in between here is the great Himalayan mountains. We're going to learn a little bit more about them. So the Himalayas are the highest mountain system on Earth. Sanskrit for Himalaya means the house of snow, which, as you can see here, the snow-topped mountains. The Indian plate has collided with the Eurasian continental plate to form the Himalayan mountains, and basically you have these two plates, and once they meet, the only place they can go is up. So that landmass goes up, 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 and that's what forms those great mountain ranges. The mountain range includes Mount Everest and nine of the world's 10 highest peaks. So what we're going to do here is just look at a little video just for a moment about the Himalayas. It's a time-lapse video, pretty neat. And here's their time-lapse video. Absolutely beautiful. Different areas of the Himalayas. You see the snow-capped mountains there in the back, and the roads throughout the Himalayas. And different architecture throughout the Himalayas. It's going to show this road here leading up. Absolutely beautiful. So I just wanted you guys to just see sort of a video here. There's the nighttime. Gorgeous. Look at those stars. And so that was the Himalayan mountains. Beautiful. So let's talk about Diwali and, why is it celebrated? According to Ramana, Diwali commemorates the return of Ram, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, and the eldest son of King Dashrath of Ardhado, from his 14-year exile with Sita and Lakshman after killing the Raven, a demon king. And here we're going to have a picture of Lord Ram returning with his queen Sita by his side. And let's talk about what religions actually celebrate Diwali. Here we have a beautiful picture right here of the people celebrating and the lights and the Rangoli, and we'll talk about that a little bit more here in a second. And in 1500 BC, Aryans came to India with its belief that became Hinduism. The practices and beliefs come from a collection of hymns called Vedas. They believe if you're good in life, that you will be rewarded in the next. And here you'll see a very popular symbol used a lot, you'll see with yoga. And this is the Om symbol. It's a Sanskrit word. It's a sacred sound to the Hindus. And in 1469, Guru Nanak founded Sikhism, and he had 9 successors that helped to form the main belief system in the 16th and 17th centuries. And this is the Khanda. It symbolizes a universal God. Next, we have Jainism, and it can be traced back to the 6th century BC in India. The name was taken from a word that means conquerors. 24 teachers had faith revealed to them, and together they helped form this religion. And they believe in a universe with multiple layers that has more than one heaven and more than one hell. And this is the Jain hand symbol of nonviolence.